put your text alongside a path. Let me remove this, and then I'll go to the type tool. I'll use the curvature tool to create a path, just like this. Then I will disable the fill and enable the stroke just to see the path. Then go to the type tool. When you hover over the path, you will have this curvy thing, indication that you have a path. If you click on it, it will create a text on the path. If you want to change the end and the start of the text, we will use the path selection tool. Come over here, and now you can move it like this. This is the end of the text, and if you move your cursor down, it will put the text down the path, just like this. Let's keep it like this for now. Now we can remove the path. You don't need it anymore. Click on it and hide it. I'm going to create another shape. I will make a circle this time. Press on the shift to make a perfect circle like this. It doesn't have the fill already. Go to the type tool and hover over it until you have the curvy thing and click. You will have things like this. Now we can remove this ellipse and move this around. What if you want to put the text inside a circle or inside any shape? Let me create another shape. It will be a circle again. Go to the type tool. And now, if you focus on the type tool, you'll see it's changing. When it's inside, it's a circle. Outside, it's a square. And on the lines, it's a curve. Now go inside and click on it. Now we created our text inside a circle. If we remove this box, let me hide it or remove it, and double click on the text, you will see that you have this circle around the text. And this is how you do it. You can do it for any shape. In my case, for some reason, the text is outside the circle that we have, but even if it was inside the circle 100%, it would still look the same. Okay guys, this will be the end of this lesson. In the next lesson, I'll give you a homework to do it using the type tool and other stuff that you learned during this course. See you there.